Equations with a repeated unknown. If the repeated variable is on the same side of the equation, such as with this equation just here, then we need to collect like terms before we begin to solve. Now in this case, that's not that difficult. 3x and plus 4x. So we know that that would become 7x, and then we've got plus 7 equals 35. And we know how to solve this equation. If the repeated variable is on both sides of the equation, we are going to need to use an inverse operation to remove the variable from one side. For example, we have 5x minus 7 equals 2x plus 3. Now you don't have to do this the way that I do it, but the way that I do it is I identify the smaller number of x's. The smaller number of x's is the 2x on the right hand side. We've got 5x on this side and 2x on this side. We can remove it by subtracting 2x from both sides of the equation. We've got 5x minus 7 equals 2x plus 3. And I'm saying subtract 2x. If you subtract 2x from 5x, you get 3x. If we subtract 2x from 2x, we get no x's. And therefore the equation becomes 3x minus 7 equals 3. In the case of 5x minus 7 is 10 minus 7x, the smaller number of x's is the negative 7x. Negative 7 is a smaller number than 5 on the right hand side. We can remove it by adding 7x to both sides of the equation. So we'd have 5x minus 7 is 10 minus 7x, and I'm suggesting here add 7x. If we do that, adding 7x to 5x gives us 12x, so the left hand side will become 12x minus 7. The 7x on the right hand side would disappear because we're adding 7x, so we just get 10. And then we get to a simpler type of equation that we know how to solve.